Hey there, awesome explorers! Today, we're diving into the explosive world of volcanoes. Are you ready? Let's go! Did you know there are different types of volcanoes? That's right! We have shield volcanoes, which are wide and gently sloping, cinder cone volcanoes, which are steep and cone-shaped, and stratovolcanoes, which are tall and explosive. But why do volcanoes erupt? Great question! Volcanoes erupt because magma from deep inside the earth pushes its way to the surface. When it finally breaks through, it can create a spectacular eruption. Whoa! Did you see that? That's some serious fire and fury. But don't worry, most volcanoes are safe, as long as you stay away when they're active. Now, let's make our own mini volcano right here at home. It's safe, easy, and super fun. Here's what you need. 1. A small container, like a cup or a bottle. 2. Baking soda, about 2 tablespoons. 3. Vinegar, about half a cup. 4. Food coloring, optional, but let's make it colorful. 5. A tray to catch the mess. First, place your container on the tray. Add the baking soda. This is going to be our magma. Now, let's add some color to our eruption. You can use red or orange to make it look like lava. Now for the exciting part. Pour in the vinegar and watch what happens. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Look at that lava flow! Isn't that amazing? Just like a real volcano, but way safer and way more fun. To recap, volcanoes are incredible natural wonders, and we learned that there are different types. Plus, we made our very own mini volcano right at home. Remember, always be safe and have fun while exploring science. Thanks for joining me today, Volcano Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time.